Hey everyone, it's Kevin from strama.ai. Today's video, we're going to take a look at how to use our newest Chrome extension to search or take an individual from our Sales Navigator search and import that into Strama and generate a campaign. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the Strama now has a Chrome extension in the Chrome extension store. So if you were to go in there, just search Strama and it'll pop up. So once you do that, install it, pin it in your extension bar. And so when we go back into LinkedIn, let's say that I am just doing some one off prospecting that day, I can go and find Brandon. And then once I've identified, hey, this is the contact that I want to reach out to, I go ahead, pop that extension open, and typically this will say generate a sequence. Now, just for sake of time for this video, I went ahead and already generated the sequence, but it's just one button. You'll see it here. You'll have the option to generate that sequence. Once that sequence is completed, you'll get this notification. The sequence is pending approval, which means that I then open the sequence. I go into Strama, and I can see that our contact has been brought into Strama. The Strama's gone in and researched everything associated with this individual. We've researched that company, and then we've taken any existing information that you provided us in your playbook or the default playbook that we provide, and we've gone ahead and generated these customized sequences for you. So again, deeply customized sequences using that research that we've provided or that we've done on top of any additional context that you might have provided with that sales playbook. So again, really easy to get this in, get this going. If it looks good, we're gonna hit that approve button and it's gonna go ahead and fire that off to Brandon. So hope that was helpful. We are going to continue developing new ways to connect our data sources into Strama to make this a more seamless process. So hopefully this helps folks out. Um, we'll love any feedback on anyone that uses this or has any questions or suggestions on how to make this work better. We are definitely open to hearing from everyone about anything. So thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye bye.